Good day mga ka-dog lovers! So for today's episode, i-discuss natin ang pag-groom ng Siberian Husky for everyday and regular grooming and for dog show grooming. So for this episode, kasama natin si Codon. Siya ang i-groom natin today. So ipapakita natin kung paano ang techniques and or ways of grooming ng Siberian Husky. So for grooming ng Siberian Husky, ang mga gagamitin natin ay blower, straight comb, pin brush, slicker brush. Then, for dog show grooming, kailangan natin ng powder brush. Then, for baiting, ang Siberian Husky usually gagamitan namin ng whitening shampoo and ng volumizing shampoo. Then, sea breeze oil. Then, for dog show, water spray, powder, and shine and comb. And of course, kailangan rin natin ng grooming table. So ngayon, papakita ko kung paano i-blow dry and brush ang Siberian Husky for everyday or regular grooming. So now, na-pre-bath na si Codon. So ginamitan namin siya ng whitening shampoo sa legs and volumizing shampoo sa body. Ngayon, medyo damp pa yung coat niya, so i-blower natin until na totally dry. Kasi importante na totally dry yung coat ng Siberians kasi pag hindi niya na-dry, possible na magkaroon ng hot spots or skin irritation. So ngayon, i-blower natin si Codon ng dry, then after that, we will brush it. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-brush ang Siberian Husky. So now, dry na siya. So kailangan, bago kayo magtigil mag-blower, kailangan ikapain niyo yung pinaka-skin niya kung dry talaga kasi ang Siberians, merong inner coat, then may outer coat. So usually, kala ng iba is tuyo na. Pero yung inner coat niya, hindi pa tuyo. Kasi they are double-coated dogs. So kailangan nyo i-double check na sobrang tuyo yung coat and skin ng Siberian Husky. So, ngayon, ibabrush natin siya ng slicker brush kasi nagsished siya, so kailangan natin matanggal yung dead hairs niya bago tayo mag-proceed sa straight comb and pin brush. Ang ways ng pag-brush ng slicker is susundan nyo lang yung flow ng coat niya, hindi siya pa-opposite. Ganito lang. Para makita, matanggal yung dead hairs niya. Tsaka ano siya, pag slicker brush yung everyday, na habang shedding, mas bibilis yung pagtanggal ng dead hairs and mas pantay yung tubo ng coat, ng bagong coat. sa sticker brush, makita nyo, dumidikit yung coat, yung dead hairs niya. Pag nag-shed, mas marami kayong makukuha. Pero pag hindi naman season ng shedding, ano siya, wala masyadong didikit sa sticker brush. Then next, gagamitan natin siya ng pin brush habang binoblow dry. Ulit, para yung bumukha yung coat niya. Pin brush with blower, bali paangat siya. So, para yung coat niya is tatayo. So, after that, pag okay na siya sa pin brush and slicker brush, ang ginagawa namin is nagla-line comb. Yung line combing, yung iba, ginagawa is on a regular basis, like 2 times a week. Depende sa kailangan ng dog, but it's better na nagla-line comb para rin lalo niyang matanggal yung dead hairs. So, ang pang-line comb is ganito. So, makita nyo na sumasama na coat pa rin. Pero inner coat yung sumasama, hindi the outer coat. So, after ng line combing, ang ginagawa ko is, kinukomb ko lang siya ng normal. So, usually, pag dito sa hind, pataas. Yung iba, nagla-line combing, pag meron ng show or before show, nagla-line combing sila. Then, sa body niya, pa-opposite din. Hanggang sa neck. And sa chest, paangat. Sa tail, opposite din. Pero sa top line, for the top line, susundin niyo yung coat niya. So, hindi siya pa-opposite. After nito, usually, gumagawa ako ng mixture ng sea breeze oil with sa spray na may water. So, pag walang show, para hindi mag-dry yung coat niya because of the shampoo and the pag-blow dry and sa whitening, nag-spray ako ng sea breeze oil with water. Then, I will just let it sit. Hanggang sa papaliguan ko ulit siya or i-groom ko ulit siya the next time. Pero ngayon, we will skip that sea breeze oil kasi mag-groom tayo for dog show. Usually for dog show grooming, kung ano yung regular grooming or regular way of brushing and blow drying, i-add nyo lang. So, it's a practice siya na kunwari, walang show, iba yung gagawin nyo. That's just the same, mag-a-add lang kayo ng products. So, pag dog show grooming, nag-start kami sa water spray. We will just spray the coat ng water, then i-blow dry. Like nung pag-blow dry ko kanina with the pen brush. Then, after that, we will put a powder. What we use is powder, baby powder mixed with the chalk na safe with for the coat and for the dog siya. Just to enhance the whiteness ng white parts ng Siberians. Kasi syempre, you want to present the dog on its best kapag dog show. Ako, nag-apply lang ako ng powder sa legs, on the white parts, and sometimes sa face. So, ganito siya. Hindi naman kailangan na sobrang dami kasi kailangan din maintain yung whiteness ng dogs nyo. So, just put it like this. So, yung paglagay ng powder is, hindi naman dapat sobrang kapal or sobrang daming powder. Just to enhance the whiteness ng white ng Siberians. After powder, binabrush lang namin ulit or comb. Ganon din, pataas. So for the top line, for showing, you want it na level siya. So kailangan flat lang yung coat sa top line. Sa underline is paangat yung pag-comb para tumayo yung coat. We also use a slicker brush sa top line. Parang hindi naman sobrang diin. Parang just to flatten the coat. Then for the tail, ganyan lang pag for show grooming. We don't trim. Trimming the coat is not allowed for the Siberians. Tinitrim lang namin yung paw, yung dito, para malinis. Bago siya pumasok ng ring, we will spray the shine and comb para kasi si Kodan is copper and white. So, para tumingkad lalo yung coat color niya. Then, ganyan lang for dog show grooming and the regular grooming. But, Siberian Husky, minimal lang yung grooming niya, pero you have to maintain yung grooming kahit without show or may show. So, they are ordered as breeds. So, kahit 2 months mo siya hindi paliguan, dapat hindi mangangamoy ang Siberian Husky. If merong odor yung Siberian nyo or may naamoy kayo na body odor, might as well have it checked up sa vet para malaman kung ano yung possible wrong sa Siberian nyo. Then, for the grooming, every exhibitor, breeder, or owner, has their own way of grooming their dog. So, for me, ito yung pag-groom ng dog ko. Siguro, ibang exhibitors, they have this different techniques or ways, pero the basic is there. Yung how you comb the dog, how you brush, how you bait the dog. So, yung basic nandun. Pero meron kasi different dog, different needs on grooming. So, kailangan mo rin kilalanin yung dog mo or alamin mo kung anong kailangan niyang grooming. Basta important is, kailangan after baiting, pag nag-blow dry, sobrang tuyo niya. Then, you have to maintain the white. Also, hindi lang doon nagtatapos yung grooming. Syempre, you want your dogs na malinis, so dapat yung environment niya or yung kung saan siya natutulog or yung cages niya, dapat malinis din and regular nililinis and walang mga wiwi or pupu. Talagang kailangan is, hindi naman tutok, like nakabantay and aware kayo on the daily habit of your dog. For grooming also, after ng dog show, kinabukasan, kailangan mo tanggalin yung products. Syempre, there's powder and yung mga spray. So, ang ginagawa ko is after dog show, pinapaliguan ko siya like regular baiting lang. Basta lang matanggal yung mga products. Kasi importante na matanggalin yung products para yung coat niya hindi magkakaroon ng infections or like hot spots. Kasi it's the same thing as for the girls na after we wear makeup, syempre, kailangan natin maghilamos. So, it's the same thing. Para malinis din yung skin and coat niya. So, that's it for today's episode. Sana may natutunan kayong tips on how to groom your Siberian Huskies. Thank you for watching and see you next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for the next episodes.